Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Blitz Gold Trader EA, an automated trading system developed by Eddie Bang for MetaTrader 5. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this is an MT5 only expert advisor, currently listed at $300 with rental options available for 1 month going for $40, 3 months going for $90, and 6 months going for $200. The current version is 7.3, and according to the developer, it was updated in April 27th, 2025. The EA is specifically designed for trading gold or XAUUSD on the 5-minute time frame. All right, we can see that here. Now, the description explains that it combines price action analysis, trend tracking, and multiple customizable indicators to identify trading opportunities. One thing the developer emphasizes is that the system avoids greed trading, martingale strategies, and hedging. It also limits itself to only one open position at a time, which helps keep trade exposure controlled and straightforward. As I continue through the page, the setup process appears relatively simple. Users mainly need to configure their preferred lot size and decide whether the EA should trade continuously or only during selected trading hours. The marketplace information also states that it can work with Forex brokers and prop trading firms. All right. Now, looking at the guide section, we get more insight into how the EA operates. The default entry size is 0.1 lots, and the developer notes that stop loss and take profit values can be left at 0 if you want the indicators to manage trade exits. The strategy itself incorporates several tools, including stochastic, momentum, envelope, spin bar detection, and Bollinger Bands. According to the documentation, stochastic is used to measure momentum. Momentum tracks trend strength, while envelope, spin bars, and Bollinger Bands assist with managing trade closures. The guide also highlights several protection features, including maximum spread control, maximum daily loss protection, and maximum drawdown limits. There is also a news filter setting available in the EA, although the developer clearly notes that it has not yet been implemented in the current version. Moving over to the backtesting section, the screenshots provided were generated using the MT5. This actually looks like the MT5 backtest results based on the images that I'm seeing here. But anyway, since it was not specified, let's just go to see the results that we have here. So we have a total net profit of $59,620.25. The total trades taken were $1,375. Short trades were 619 with 70.76% win rate. Long trades were 756 with 76.85% win rate. Okay. And then the largest profit was 1,496.64. Largest loss 3,553.4. Average profit 180.86. Average loss 341.4. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, but the win rate is okay. So that's probably contributed significantly to the net profits. But I don't know why the balance was not specified. At least we should know the balance that yielded this total net profit. Okay, and we can see that the graph seems to be consolidating for a while, moving sideways before it finally started recording a gentle slope to the upside. Okay, so this looks interesting, but let's just head over to our strategy tester as well, and we are testing the Blitz Gold EA on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame over about 5 months from the beginning of this year till date. And for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, we're using the every tick modeling. All right, and we didn't have any trade executed. Let me just head over to the journal, and I don't really seem to find the reason for that. But let's just quickly go turn on the visuals so we can see the EA active. All right, let's watch the EA in action. Okay, so as I review the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the information provided on the marketplace page. The EA is designed to maintain a single active position while using its indicator combination to manage entries and exits. Now, since gold can experience both strong trends and periods of volatility, it is useful to evaluate how the system reacts across different market environments over extended testing periods. Now, I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right. The developer also encourages users to backtest on their own broker because execution quality, spreads, and order handling can differ significantly from one broker to another. Okay, as you can see, we run the test over about 5 months. But if you are really interested in this EA, I would recommend that you run it over maybe a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to capture wider range of market conditions. You can be able to get more data for the back testing and of course a more comprehensive result. All right, so when looking at the historical testing performance, it's important to remember that these are just historical backtest results only. Okay, past performance does not guarantee future results. Future performance can vary depending on lot size, selection, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right. Now, overall, the Blitz Gold Expert Advisor is presented as an MT5 Expert Advisor focused exclusively on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, combining multiple indicators with built-in account protection features while avoiding greed, martingale, and hedging approaches. Now, as always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization on both demo and historical data before considering any live trading use. All right, so if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.